Where did you say this place was again?
Just take a right here and go straight. I'll let you know when we're there.
What do you need me for?
Just company, I guess. I'm giving you half the pay, you know?
Does Dr. King know I'm coming too?
No. He doesn't need to know that. It's not like he's gonna come all the way from Seattle just because I brought a friend.
Well, at least I'm getting paid. This isn't the sort of thing I would like to be doing on a Saturday night.
Just drive. Ruby, no!
Get this fucking thing off me!
Come on, get inside.
Seriously, I will fucking drop kick that dog if he does that again. His name is Goofy?
No, Gooby. You know, like the dog from Mickey Mouse?
Yeah, Goofy.
No, I'm pretty sure it's Gooby.
Why did Dr. King hire you to watch his house? You barely know the guy.
Yeah, Stanley recommended me to him.
Stanley? Well, why didn't he do it himself?
Didn't you hear? After 2 hours, he ran home crying.
What? Why?
I don't know. Just a pussy, I guess.
Something must have spooked him. Probably a ghost. Well, that's a creepy doll.
What? Oh yeah, I think Wendy had it when she was little.
Who's Wendy?
Dr. King's wife.
Dr. King has a wife?
Yeah? Why?
Well, I don't know. I always thought Dr. King was a Lone Ranger, if you know what I mean.
Lone Ranger? Like the movie with John Deeps?
What? No, like... never mind. Wait, wasn't that doll just over there?
Huh? What?
Get this fucking thing off me, man! What the fuck was that? Must have been the wind.
The wind?
Yeah. Haven't you seen it happening? With Matt Damon?
You mean Mark Wahlberg?
No, that's the Facebook guy.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god! It's a fucking ghost! I knew it!
Okay, what should we do?
Burn it.
The house?
The ghost, burn it.
It doesn't make any sense.
You got a better fucking idea?
Let's call Stanley. It's probably happened to him too.
You think that's why I ran away?
Do you even doubt it, man?
Hello?
Stanley, it's Torrance.
Hey, what's up?
No time for small talk. Me and Jack got a Bagul problem.
Bagoo? You mean ghost?
That's what I said. Can you help us?
Wait, are you in Dr. King's house?
Yeah?
Oh shit! You gotta get out of there, man!
No, man. Wearing pussies like you.
Who's that?
It's Matt Damon from the movie Facebook.
What?
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 Look, can you help us out?
I think so. I did some research on the house after I left. Turns out, Wendy's grandfather, Donald, died in the house. He blew himself up after his friend betrayed him.
Look, I don't care. Just tell me how to get rid of him.
You can't just get rid of a ghost like that. What I suggest you to do is ask what it wants.
How do we do that?
What am I, the guy from Sinister? Just Google it.
You ready?
Let's do this.
Okay. Is there someone with us tonight?
Jeebus.
Is this Donald we're speaking with?
I guess that means yes.
What do you want?
Gooby, please?
Gooby, please.
Hello?
Hey, Torrance. It's Dr. King here.
Oh, hey. How's the trip?
Oh, just fine. How are things with you? Is Scooby alright?
Fucking hey, dogs.
He's, fine. Just fine.
Splendid. We'll be back tomorrow morning.
Okay. See you then. Stanley, what's going on?
Hey man, there's some weird shit going on in my house. I heard this weird electronic voice in my speakers. They weren't even plugged into anything. It kept saying, Gooby, please.
Stanley, get out of there!
Wait, what was that? Oh god, no, no!
Stanley! Stanley!
What's going on?
We gotta go to Stanley's place.
Why? What happened?
Looks like Donald didn't go away after all.
Should we call the cops?
No?
Why not?
Come on, Jack. Who do you think is gonna believe us? Get the fuck out of here.
Oh, shit. I forgot my keys.
I'll go get him.
Donald. Why I blowed up. My friend with Gooby. We try to kill ourselves. I blowed up. Cannot. I hungry.
Jack? Jack, what are you doing?
There is no Jack. There's only Donald.
What are you talking about?
Are you Gooby?
What?
Gooby, please.
No, please, don't. I'm your friend.
Hey Dolan. Silver bullets. Works every time.
Actualis Dolan.